Imagine this. An airplane takes off under clear blue skies. Communication with the control tower is flawless, and the weather conditions are perfect. Suddenly, without warning, it disappears, without a trace. No wreckage, no distress call, nothing. It's as if the plane vanished into thin air. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, one of the world's most mysterious regions where reality and fiction intertwine. What lies behind the countless tales of vanished ships and aircraft? And why does this area remain an enigma to this day? The Bermuda Triangle spans roughly 1.1 million square kilometers between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Although its boundaries are not officially defined, historians and researchers agree that this region has been considered dangerous and mysterious for centuries. Reports of strange occurrences date back to the 15th century, when Christopher Columbus wrote in his logs about strange lights in the sky and a wayward compass. But what makes the Bermuda Triangle so unique? Modern fascination with the Bermuda Triangle began in the 1940s with a headline-grabbing incident that remains one of the most puzzling cases in history, Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers took off on a training mission. Weather conditions were ideal, and the pilots were experienced. But soon after departure, something strange happened. The pilots reported issues with their compasses and an inability to determine their location. Minutes later, communication was lost. All 5 planes disappeared without a trace, and a search and rescue operation was launched. Shockingly, the rescue planes sent after them also vanished. In total, 27 men were lost that day in what became one of the Bermuda Triangle's most infamous incidents. This was just the beginning of a long list of mysterious events. Over the following decades, dozens of ships and planes disappeared in the area. One of the most famous cases involved the USS Cyclops, which vanished in 1918 with 309 crew members on board. The massive coal-carrying ship left no debris or survivors. Its disappearance remains one of the largest losses of life in U.S. naval history not related to combat. Similarly, modern aircraft like the District of Columbia III in 1948 and the freighter SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963 disappeared under equally baffling circumstances. These incidents sparked countless speculations and theories. Skeptics suggest natural causes, such as dangerous currents, sudden storms, or methane gas eruptions from the seabed. Others, however, propose far more extraordinary explanations. One of the most intriguing theories involves time distortions. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a time warp, or wormhole, that transports objects to another dimension. This idea is supported by pilot reports describing strange clouds and unexplained time losses. Another popular theory involves extraterrestrial activity. Some speculate that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for UFO sightings and that aliens might be abducting ships and planes. This theory ties into the mysterious lights frequently observed in the region, a modern echo of Columbus's accounts. Legends also play a significant role in the Bermuda Triangle's allure. Some claim that remnants of the lost city of Atlantis lie beneath the triangle's waters. While speculative, this idea has gained traction from reports of unusual underwater structures in the area. Despite these fascinating theories, scientists often provide more rational explanations. Studies reveal that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the world's most heavily trafficked maritime zones, making accidents statistically more likely. Furthermore, the region is prone to storms and unpredictable weather conditions, posing risks to ships and planes. Methane gas bubbles rising from the seabed could potentially reduce buoyancy and cause vessels to sink. Still, even these scientific explanations fail to account for every mystery. One of the most intriguing Bermuda Triangle stories is the case of Bruce Gernon, a pilot who claimed to have experienced an electronic fog in 1970. During a flight over the Triangle, Gernon lost control of his plane and noticed strange cloud formations forming a tunnel. When he exited the clouds, he found he had traveled 150 kilometers in mere minutes, something physically impossible under normal conditions. His story is often cited as evidence of time distortions within the Bermuda Triangle. But why does the Bermuda Triangle continue to captivate us, even with these explanations? Perhaps it's human nature. We are drawn to mysteries, especially those that challenge the limits of our understanding and imagination. The Bermuda Triangle is not just a geographical phenomenon but a symbol of the unknown, a place that pushes the boundaries of our reality. While many incidents in the Bermuda Triangle may be attributed to natural causes, the question remains: is there something there that we have yet to understand? Something that science has not yet uncovered? Or is the Bermuda Triangle nothing more than a collection of coincidences amplified by centuries of stories and myths? Ultimately, the Bermuda Triangle remains a fascinating mystery that captivates generations. Perhaps one day, a definitive answer will be found, or perhaps it will forever remain an enigma, a puzzle reminding us of how much we still don't know about the world around us. If this mysterious story has intrigued you as much as it has us, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. On our channel, we explore more fascinating and unsolved phenomena from around the globe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss our next story, and stay tuned for more.